are on our way to the state park with Winston. We're so excited. We have been thinking about this moment for a very long time. We took him once when he was a puppy and he was terrified, so hopefully this is a better experience considering we're a drive down the road from the beach, so we'd like to take him very often if he would let us. How do you think he's gonna like it?
He's probably gonna get scared of the water.
Yeah.
Such a little baby.
Hey!
He gets scared of thunder. He doesn't like sitting water.
Yeah, that's true. And
he's a
fart
weirdo.
noises.
But he's alright.
I hope that he won't be terrified, but there's a high chance that he will. We're here! Are you so excited?
Took all of 2 minutes to get here.
I know. I know. It wasn't very...
Really grueling drive.
Yeah.
That's why we need a golf cart.
Oh, yeah.
Go zoom zoom.
Yeah.
We need to get Winston like a cage or something to jump
Oh,
out.
he'll jump right out. He already knows how to open up the windows in the car. We have to put the child lock on for him.
Come on, come on. We're not even at the beach yet. It goes all the way up and down.
No? Come on. Come on. Come on. No, honey. He's saying no, thank you. Come on, honey.
No.
Okay. I think the ocean's a no-go, but we'll just walk on the beach. You're okay, baby. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay, baby. No more ocean. He's like running. He's running away. It's okay.
It's like perhaps not.
For the lady, perhaps a salad. Perhaps not.
Try number 30 to get Winston in the water. Oh, he's getting close and he's turning.
This is his boundary. We're just gonna call it quits.
Good boy, come here. You're so big. Oh, yeah, you're so great. You're so good.
He's like, let's just stick to the dog park.
Winston, is grass more your comfort zone? You got in the water a little bit there.
Yeah?
Yeah, at the dog.
Pretty close.
No, well, at the dog park.
Oh. Oh.
You have to warm them up to it.
Okay. How about respecting boundaries in this house? Yeah.
Oh, you're so brave. You're so brave. He's just slowly but surely walking farther and more.
And he's off. Winston! Winston! Come here, boy. Winston! Come here. Hey, boy.
Good boy. All right, we're done. We're good.
Good workout?
Jellyfish.
Yeah.
We need to like, get like the Peloton or something.
Well, we need to get out more.
I know. Oh, man.
Little dude's out running his mother.
I know. I'm sure his father too. For you.
Me? I'm good right here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ooh, looking good today. Looking like a snack.
Looking like a whole snack. Wait till later. I look like a whole meal. How do you think it went?
Well, work in progress.
Yeah.
We'll be living here for a while. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Are you more of a grass
Turn into
doggo?
a beach bum.
Oh.
Get a little tan.
Ooh. What did you think, baby?
He's like, get me out of here.
He's like, hurry it up. Do, do,
Shut,
do,
shut,
do, do,
man.
do, do. We're still new. We don't really know where we're going yet.
Trying to be locals. Blend in
Yeah.
with cool kids.
Yeah. I feel like if we make an effort to try to come here every day or every other day, you'll become way more comfortable with the ocean.
Oh, for sure.
So.
I feel like he just doesn't trust it yet.
No, he doesn't.
If he had a buddy to go in the ocean with him,
Ooh.
because he trusts dogs more than people.
He really does. He really does. All in all, I'm very happy with Winston's trip to the ocean. First of many trips to the state park. And hopefully, it'd be nice to see like a year from now, be like, oh, he loves the ocean. How funny that he was scared. And hopefully it's not well, not much has changed. So we'll see.